All right, I'm on board of Carnival Sunrise 12220. It is a porthole room.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about.
Hey. All right, as you walk in, the first thing that will hit you right in your face is a closet store. And it has the life vest in this one, a little extra storage. It does, like, yeah, I don't know. Then you have 2 additional cabinets right here, and they do not fold out, like they actually swing open. One has a full length mirror on it, and you can adjust the bar in the middle if you want to hang like shirts or something like that. Then the one up there, you can hang more shirts. And then on this side, you can maybe use that for something that's, you know, a little longer hanging. So we have our bags down there. We have a safe that we have not shut yet. And while we're still in this area, we're going to check out the bathroom. Now these cabins do have that smart source for the electricity, so you do need something in there to keep the lights on. But we're in a porthole room, and right now we're able to see. So what I need to do so that I can see in the bathroom, I'm going to trick the system out real quick. All right, the cardboard that was wrapped around the water, the 375 water, I use that to get the lights on. As you walk into it, there is a pretty good step down. This is my foot, and you have to step up here. So if you have any mobility issues, keep that in mind. But it is a standard bathroom. I always say Carnival cruise ships have trailer park bathrooms. They always look like mobile home bathrooms. I don't care what they do to them, but it's clean. The toilet has a little bit of black residue going on right there. Keep an eye on that. And then you just have your corner shower with your shower gel, shampoo. You have your line if you want to hang your swimsuits, or you want to get out last minute wrinkles with wrinkle release, you can put them there. Or if you want to steam them, I don't suggest that. We are all trying to conserve water. Then you have your towels right there, extra toiletries, and be careful when you come out of this bathroom, because I promise you, if you're not careful, you will trip. Like I almost did. Oh, there's a big lip. All right, as you come forward, my husband's trying to get out of my way. You have here the desk area, and it's a pretty long one. You have your TV. It is not direct center of the bed, but it is great. It's a good size. Has our name up there, Lynette and Stanley. Welcome aboard. Have a good mirror right here with really good lighting for us ladies that like to get in there and get this face snatched. And you have some corner shelving with the railings around those so that your stuff doesn't fly all over the place. You have a table right here. You do have a couch, and I don't know if it turns into anything, and it has a little bit of storage right there. Let's see. No, it does not turn into a bed or anything like that. Have lighting right there, a little end table, right? I know, a little nightstand right there, your king size bed. You have your 2 lights right there. Have your USBs, which we all love and appreciate. Another nightstand. And this is the porthole room. So you have these sources of light. And you also can take this curtain and pull it closed. But that does it. It's a pretty decent cabin. I love the fact that you do have a sitting area. So if you're like me, you like to sit down, get dressed, lay your clothes out, like to, you know, stretch out a little bit. This is perfect. All right, so hope you enjoy the tour on Carnival Sunrise. This is the 3rd sailing since it has been rebranded as the Carnival Sunrise from the Triumph, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.